Hello friends, this is Dipanjali and welcome to Swad Bengal. Our today's recipe is a instant quick breakfast recipe, Rava Uttappam. It is a very easy and healthy recipe yet very delicious. So let's check what are the ingredients. Please do try this recipe and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. So let's see the ingredients. For making Rava Uttappam, first we'll make the batter. For that we'll take 2 cup of suji or rava, 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd and mix it properly. If required, we will add little bit more curd, around 1 or 2 tablespoons. Total usage of curd will be 3/4 cup for 2 cup of rava. Now you can see the rava has absorbed the curd and it has mixed properly. See, it has mixed completely. So at this stage we will add half cup of warm water and mix the batter. We will quickly stir the batter and add half teaspoon salt. Here goes half teaspoon salt and we will give a good mix. The batter is ready. Now we will cover it with a plate and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, we will check the batter consistency. If required, we will add little bit water. Make sure the batter is very smooth, not very thin and not very thick. This should be the consistency. Now the batter is ready for uttappam. Now next step is to add the veggies. You can add some chopped veggies like chopped capsicum, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped carrot or any other veggies you prefer. I have added capsicum, onion, tomatoes and some green chilies. Now we'll heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon oil and spread it evenly. We'll add the uttappam batter in this way. You can add little bit more for bigger size and spread the batter in this way. Don't make it excessive thin or thick. Now we'll cover it with a lid. Add little bit black pepper if you prefer and allow it to cook from one side. We'll add little bit butter. And flip it very carefully. In this way, allow the uttappam to cook from the other side also. Add butter from both sides. The uttappam should be made in medium flame, not very high flame. Once the uttappam is ready, take it out in a plate. Our uttappam is ready to serve. This is a very easy, quick and healthy recipe and the best part is it can be made instantly. You can serve the uttappam with tomato ketchup, mayonnaise or green chutney. So try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like the recipe, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon so that you receive my every notification at the earliest. Have a good day. Take care.